Hey everyone, this is Ryan over at HiPod, and today I am going to show you how to take advantage of the YouTube video editor that is hosted directly online. To use this, go to youtube.com and first sign into your account, as so. Once you're in, all you're going to do is go up here to the top URL, see where it says youtube.com. You'll be able to see that yes, you are signed in, and then all you're going to do is type in editor right after the field, /editor. That now takes you to the YouTube video editor. It will show you a list of your videos that are currently online, as you can see right here in this kind of grid. It will allow you to do things like chop the video, mix different videos together, or just shorten a video that is online right now. You can do all of this fairly simply. Let me show you some of the basics of this. You can take one video, drag it down here, and it just appears in this new timeline that we're creating. Now you can grab another video. I'm going to use the shorter ones here. And now this video will appear as one video when I render it. You can have a preview right up here. This is showing what the original first video was, and then it will just continue. There it is. It's merged it into one video now. This is all online, almost as if this was a video editing software that you would have on your desktop. And this is great, say, if you want to take video that's already there and you don't want to find it on your desktop, and you want to mix up plays, or say you want to do a highlight list of the best plays of the season or something like that. Now, beyond just putting existing videos together, you can go in and edit the length or the style in which the videos play. So I don't want this much of this video, so I just pull the two ends like so, and I hit save. Now instead of 11 seconds, this is only 2 seconds. I don't want this whole clip because look, nothing's happening in this first 5-6 seconds, it looks like. So I'm going to take out the first 5 seconds of the play. Okay, and now in this one here, people are going out on the field, nothing's happening, not interested in that. And I'm going to drag this forward, and then I'm going to save that. So now instead of the longer videos, we have a 2-second, a 7-second, and a 7-second. I hit play, and that's previewing what the film will actually look like. See, I've just merged them all together. Really nice, really simple, great little feature. You can also then take another, and then they've got different transitions that you can utilize as well. Like here's a crossfade. See how it just pushes the other video where you're trying to put it right in the middle, just a little to the side. So this one will now play as it normally would, but when you get to where the crossfade happens, which happens in a few more seconds, see how that just crossfaded right there. Nice and simple effect, but very effective depending on where you want to use it. And when you're done, basically all you need to do is hit the publish button. Well, first you need to make a title, sorry. I'm going to call this test video. You hit publish, and now that video is there. You just go to your videos to check and see. And there it is, test video. It's a private uploaded video, which means that right now it cannot be viewed by anybody else. I can change that. And it's processing, which means it's drawing different pieces of the video from all of the other clips that were used as a palette for this video. So it'll take little pieces from the data that it's got on their servers, and it will actually then render the video. When it's finished, it'll be that full thing we just saw. Now it says an error has occurred because it's not finished, but give it a couple of minutes and it'll be done, it'll play, and that's really all there is to it, nice and simple. The reason why this showed up as a private video, this is something I just had from a different video, is that I used a portion of a private video clip, one that is not viewable to the entire YouTube viewing audience. It will, if there are any portions of video that this is being drawn from that are private, the entire video will end up being private. So to change that, you can just hit public, and then it will be public to everybody. So I've just hit save changes on that. And let's see, maybe it's done by now, maybe not, but we'll take a look and see. It still says processing, so it'll give me an error message. But that'll be it. So that's how you can take video and merge them together, edit them a little bit, add transitions, And that's basically all there is to it. So I hope that helps you guys out. Enjoy some of the extra features of your HiPod video channel, and have fun. And I just wanted to add a little addendum onto the online editing video that I just made here. And that is to highlight some of the differences between using a cut-up software that's actually on your computer locally, and then the differences between that and using an online option that YouTube here provides on your HiPod video channel. You know, if you're using a software, say like a DSP or a Hudl, you're going to have to check and make sure that those software editors are compatible with whatever kind of camera that you're using, or meaning whatever file type your camera records in. You know, any camera that's being sold today, they're hard drive cameras, which means that they're recording to a file directly on a hard drive. They're not recording to a physical place, like to a disk or to a tape. And what you would have to do in that situation, if you're using a current modern camera, is you will have to then plug your camera into your computer, and then you would have to, I'll show you a little bit right here, you would have to go into your computer, go actually into a drive, and actually that's not the drive, but into a drive, drag your folders in, or your files into a folder. They look like this, you know, and then pull them into whatever software you're using to edit your videos, and hope that your software understands the file type. Now, you can look at this right here. Most high-resolution cameras are recording in file types that old software doesn't even know ever existed, and they weren't created for them. M2TS files and MTS files are a standard now, and some software doesn't even recognize them. So you'd have to buy another software program to convert an M2TS or an MTS file to a MAPEG 4 or a .movie file or whatever, just to get it into an editor, to then edit, regurgitate out to your desktop, to then upload to an online server to then broadcast, which seems a little complicated in this day and age. I mean, if you can just go to YouTube, which does, by the way, understand M2TS and MTS and high definition video and anything that's really coming out of a hard drive video camera, and skip the middleman, skip the whole, you know, conversion and editing software and cut-up software and stuff like that locally on your computer, upload it to your YouTube channel on your HiPod video page, and then just go to the editor, youtube.com/editor, and then just select your files, put them into your list, cut them up, you know, make them the length that you want. That's the first step, make them the correct lengths. Then you will go to this video after it's the right length and add your annotations over the top of it. But it's all there. It all is understood by the web, and it all is free. That's the nice thing about it. You're not going out of your way, and you're cutting out some of the extra steps and cutting out quite a bit of the time, to be honest. So that's just a little thing to be aware of. You're still going to want to make sure that any video you're creating online lasts less than 11 minutes. You can see up here, I have a video that runs for 10 minutes, 55 seconds. That is right at the edge. YouTube only allows videos to go up to its servers that are less than 11 minutes. So if you're uploading one video for the first time, it needs to say underneath of that, that length. So keep being aware of that, and basically just take advantage of the software that we are providing to you. So just use it and see what you can do with it. See if it works for you. All right, hope that helps, guys.